What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer. You already know how we rockin', man. Happy 2019. We back up in this thing. Chitty, bang, bang. Nah, I'm just fuck with you. But yo, we back up in this thing 2019, man. Your boy definitely copped his first big cop of the year, baby. These Spirit God things. You know what I'm saying? You already know. Now, your boy Q the Flu, we did a couple of videos on these last year, kind of give you the inside look and the early preview of these and the collection. Shout out to my boy Nate Triple OG. You know what I'm saying? This his pair. He got lucky on these black pairs last year, man. Your boy was in his feelings. I was sad. Kind of cried myself to sleep that night. You know what I'm saying? Ate sleep for dinner. It was all bad, man. So I really wanted Bay, to give me a pair of these for Christmas, but that's neither here nor there. We got these things in 2019, man. I actually think I got the better colorway, man. Maybe, possibly. You know what I'm saying? So, you already know how we do. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, man. Make sure you like this video. You know what I'm saying? And then after you watch the video, man, let your boy know how we doing down there in the comment box, man. Leave some feedback. Holla at your boy. You already know how we rock. But, that's neither here nor there. Let's get into it. Gang. Alright, so as you can see, we got, the great things. Your boy Q the Flu definitely had to add that extra sauce. You see them 3M laces popping. You know what I'm saying? It's the only way to go. You see an extra set of laces kind of hiding out in there. This is my gray pair, as I said. And this is my boy, my brother Nate Triple OG. This is his black pair, man. So we're gonna give you a slight little comparison, a really quick comparison. By now you done seen a billion, videos on these. You know what I'm saying? You know the boxes, you know all the extra details. Got like 4 different laces with these guys. You know what I'm saying? Nice little nifty little silver dust bags in a little cool random ass bag that I'm not sure why we needed. But hey, it's all about the details when Nike gonna make you spend what they were gonna make you spend $450 on these shits. But thank God they were only $350 plus tax. Shout out to my guys at St. Alfred. I actually got mine, via raffle from there. And I had a $60 gift card one of my homies gave me for Christmas. It's all love. Got these for a little bit of a discount, man. So, right off, man, you see how that 3M is just shining and popping different, man. You got that blacked out 3M on this black pair. You kind of see, you got that mesh overlay on these guys, man. The leather suede kind of hits around that toe box area, and then you have that sail color on the the Spirit God super thick ass sole. You know what I'm saying? My boy definitely been putting the tread in these, which I think is interesting. Kind of look up closer there, you can kind of see just kind of how the wear has been holding up. And this is the winter, kind of the fall, the winterish months in Chicago, so you can kind of see how that's kind of holding up. You know what I'm saying? We kind of got that black accent, nice and nice little give, man, which I really actually I really like on this pair, and I'm gonna tell you why in a little minute, man. These shits are a fucking bitch to put on and off, man. I'm gonna show you something right now. You see that little stitching down there? Yeah, that shit pop. You know what I'm saying? That shit definitely pop. Pop that shit trying to get my motherfucking foot in these bitches. Took me like a fucking hour. You know what I'm saying? But getting into the gray, the light skinned friend like Michael Jackson, aka this gray pair. You know what I'm saying? I think the thing that a lot of people really revered about this particular colorway is that it's leather all throughout. It's kind of leather, nubuck suede, whatever the hell you want to call it, all throughout, man, which is a really important detail, because when you're spending down there $400 on a shoe, you want that motherfucker to be quality through and through. You know what I'm saying? And I think a lot of people feel, like you just kind of cheated, with this pair with the little mesh overlays. I like it, but people want what they, feel like they spend their money for. You get what you pay for, I guess. You got the kind of, not as sail as this kind of sole. You kind of see the color difference, in the video, but a little bit more of a kind of white, off-white color to kind of go better with this little gray mesh, this little gray color on the uppers here. Definitely the ice blue bottom, white sole. Definitely tried these on already. Really cool, man. You got your details on the inside. Same materials used on the inside of this bitch. Airfare God tag on the back of this joint right here. And I mean, it's really, really simple, man. A lot of details, a lot of, you know, kind of accessories. See, I put like these little lace toggles, man. You definitely gotta sauce it up a little bit, man. But that's it for the ramble. Quick little comparison. Let's get into this on feet. Gang.
Hey. I mean, I can't do a bite down until you want to. Drum God. Perky on me, bite down. Auntie want the price down. I can't do it for it cause I need my money right now. Perky on me, bite down. Auntie want the price down. I can't do it for it cause I need my money right now. Like, it's my money, hey, and I need it now. Old school Cuddy with the speakers beating down, hey. It's my money and I need it now. Two bad bitches with me bout to eat each other out. Like, it's my money and I need it now. Gotta hit me in this rental on the 700 miles. Like, it's my money and I need it now. Got a new school lamb with the butterfly dolls. I butterfly hoes, put them bitches on a whoop whoop. Dollar with me tripping off the cheese, this the goof troop. New white bus with the diamonds on the nose. That $2,000 gone just to fuck her while I'm froze. I'm gon' take that bitch to hush, let her see me cop some. Finger in her butt, let me see if she got some. She know we turned up, backwoods stay burnt up, you know you gon' suck this dangling till you got lockjaw. Coke cheese got the dog food in his southpaw. 4-5 in his right hand, just a outjaw. See me out and don't make eye contact, that's why I doubt y'all. Work, fuck it up, her contacts crack like rock salt. Ay, sure niggas say they got an issue, ayy. You ain't ready for this trapping issue, ayy. Posted up with a macro nickel, I ain't not getting higher than Mac Miller, ayy. I ain't meet me a Lord Drake, no, but I fuck with both of them, just know I ain't squash shit with dog. If I see I won't smoke with him, Perky on me, bite down. Auntie want the price down. I can't do it for it cause I need my money right now. Perky on me, bite down. Auntie want the price down. I can't do it for it cause I need my money right now. Like, it's my money, hey, and I need it now. Old school Cuddy with the speakers beating down, hey. It's my money and I need it now. Two bad bitches with me bout to eat each other out. Like,
so that's it for the review. You know what I'm saying? I hope y'all enjoyed that on feet, man. First on feet in a while, man. You know, it's wintertime in Chicago. It's snowing soft vicious. We will not be on feet in these shits out in these inclement weather. It's just not happening here. So, because of that, I hope you enjoyed that on feet in the Cute Flu crib. This is how we rocking today. You know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know how y'all feel about these things, man. Yo, these shits are a fucking doozy. Fucking dude, it took me like an hour to get this shit off my foot. You know what I'm saying? But y'all know that already. If you looking to cop these, just beware. You know what I'm saying? I know a lot of people talking about going half size down and all that. I don't know about that one, Chief. I say go true to size. You know what I'm saying? Because you're gonna need all the fucking space you can get to get your goddamn foot up out these motherfuckers. You know what I'm saying? Believe it. But we got a dark-skinned friend look like Michael Jackson. And a light-skinned friend look like Michael Jackson. It's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer. You already know how we rocking around this thing. Gang, 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 gang.
This Chicago.